On this channel, I have clearly proven that there are infinite ways to make baked oats. You guys love that first video where I showcased 3 of my best baked oat recipes, so it's time to make a part 2. Baked oats are a decadent but healthy breakfast to make when you have a bit more time in the morning. Or they can be a weekend breakfast, or they don't even need to be breakfast. They could be a snack, they could be dinner for all I care. I've certainly eaten baked oats for dinner. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE. And today we're going to be making 3 high protein, low calorie baked oats. So we have chocolate chunk cookie, s'mores, and white chocolate raspberry. So if you're excited to see me make these recipes, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel and I post new videos every week. And with that, let's get started. So the first recipe we're gonna be making are chocolate chunk cookie baked oats. So this recipe is meant to feel like you're eating a chocolate chunk cookie, but in baked oat form. I would personally love to eat cookies for breakfast, so this is the next best thing. So in this recipe, I use pea science protein. This is the cake pop flavor. It's a whey casein blend, but this recipe will work with any kind of protein that you have. If you do want to purchase from pea science though, please use my discount code FIT15. Also in this recipe, we're using Lakanto brown monk fruit, which is a 0-calorie substitute for brown sugar. But if you don't have that lying around, just use any other brown sugar substitute you have or regular brown sugar. You could also substitute the white version if you don't have the brown version. Now, obviously for this recipe and all of the other baked oats recipes in this video, you need a 6.5-inch mini cast iron skillet. So you can buy this from Amazon. The link to my store is in the description. Make sure to spray it with cooking spray before pouring in the batter, otherwise it's gonna stick. By the way, the chocolate chunks make a big difference rather than the chips in this recipe. It also depends on the consistency you want, because I get a lot of comments from people saying like, oh, those baked oats look raw. Like, no, I just like them to be gooey and slightly underbaked. And now you're done and you can enjoy. So for our next recipe, we have s'mores baked oats. So during COVID, this was actually one of the first versions of baked oats that I made, which is kind of crazy considering it's not like a run-of-the-mill flavor. I had a vision and I executed it, and luckily it turned out well. I just love baked oats for when I have more time in the morning. Like, I usually do microwave oats just because, you know, I'm rushing in meetings, but when you got more time or when I have a slow day, I just love making baked oats. So I recommend baking the base of the oats, as you can see, for 5 minutes before adding the toppings on, because you don't want the marshmallows or the graham crackers to burn, and they just don't need as much bake time. So as most of you guys know, I'm vegetarian, and I get comments from people saying like marshmallows aren't vegetarian, which I know because they contain gelatin. Honestly, gelatin is the one thing that I'm not very strict about. Like, I'll still eat gummy candies or jello shots or eat marshmallows, but you can buy vegetarian marshmallows, which is, I'm pretty sure, is what I did for this recipe, but I've definitely eaten the non-vegetarian ones. I personally like the marshmallows being a little bit charred on top. This recipe is definitely one of my most decadent out of all the baked oats recipes, and it's very nostalgic, so I love it. And for our final recipe, we've got white chocolate raspberry baked oats. So this one is definitely the most unique combo, if unique is the right word. I'm a huge fan of white chocolate as well as regular chocolate, but a lot of people don't like it. Like, they're white chocolate haters for some reason. So if you're a white chocolate hater, you probably won't like this recipe. I personally love raspberries, especially in oatmeal and baked oats. I think they taste great. In fact, I had raspberries in my oatmeal this morning. So this recipe uses Pea Science white chocolate macadamia protein, which unfortunately they don't make anymore, which is really sad because I really liked it. But in its place, you could just use cake pop or vanilla. Also, you can use the white chocolate fat-free pudding mix to give it more of that white chocolate flavor, as I did, but this can be omitted if you don't have access to it. So I did the white chocolate drizzle on top mixed with the coconut oil to make it easier to like melt and spread. I did it because it looks more aesthetic, but you can always just mix in the white chocolate chips or just sprinkle them on top. Same with the raspberries. I have them on top, but you can just like crush them and mix them in if you want. And that's that. You can go ahead and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you're looking for more baked oats recipes. So I'm gonna link a couple videos on the screen that you should watch next. And please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel and I post new videos every week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.